Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening your drawing app and creating a centered 800 x 800 px canvas. This gives room for accurate proportions. Once done, draw a perfect circle using the Shape tool, set its diameter to 400 px, and align its center to the canvas guide so your logo stays balanced. Make sure to use vector shapes if possible so edges stay crisp when scaled. You're starting with the G's main counter. Keeping it perfect here makes every letter color and stroke sit correctly. Now you sculpt the letter form. Subtract a slightly smaller inner circle to create the counter, leaving about 1/4 of the outer ring as the body. Once that's done, add a short horizontal bar that intersects the ring to form the G opening. Position it at roughly the 3 o'clock region. Make sure the gap is clean by snapping to guides, and apply a uniform 30 px stroke to match classic proportions. These steps define the silhouette you'll color. Finish by splitting the ring into segments and filling each with the correct color. Start with blue for the main open stroke, add red, yellow, and green in sequence so color flow reads clockwise. Once colored, remove or unify strokes and use Boolean merges to eliminate overlapping edges. This prevents color fringes. Make sure to export both PNG and SVG formats and inspect at full size and scale down 1/4 to ensure legibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.